If you're worried about AI taking your job, you're not the only one. Big tech companies are laying off people left, right, and center. Recently in the news, we've heard about Amazon laying off 14,000 out of the projected 30,000 layoffs that are going to happen within Amazon. And some of these jobs are jobs that we didn't expect to see being laid off, but people are being laid off. So in this video, I'm going to be taking you through 5 jobs that will not get replaced by AI because of their human edge. Let's step into the video and talk about this. In 2025, we are seeing major workforce shifts. The idea of a safe job or job security is really crumbling. And when we look at the statistics, the World Economic Forum reports that 40% of employers expect to reduce jobs where AI can automate tasks. And even Anthropic, their leadership, warned that up to 50% of entry-level white-collar jobs could disappear in the next 5 years. So AI is here. AI is not in the future. It's right here. It's right now. And so let's talk about those jobs that AI will not replace. The first job is skilled tradesmen. Now, tradesmen use their hands quite a bit and they need to make decisions quickly, and they are working in sometimes uncertain environments. They're working outside, they're doing all this, and they also need the human component, talking to their customers and advising them on things that can be done in a critical situation. According to the Microsoft research study, jobs that are highly physical and require that human-centered element are less likely to be replaced by artificial intelligence. So yes, the plumbers can use artificial intelligence to help them know how the pipes are laid in the ground and where certain utility things are. But when it comes to advising a house owner or making key decisions on the go, you need an actual human to do that. And so that's why I think these tradesmen will not easily be replaced by artificial intelligence. So we're talking of electricians, we're talking of carpenters, we're talking of HVAC consultants. These jobs will still need the boots on the ground, someone talking to you and giving you the comfort that what they're doing or what they're replacing will work. I speak from experience because last year we had a leaky roof. We had one of our bathrooms was leaking and we needed someone to come in, go in the roof and have a look at what was happening and measure the moisture levels in our walls and all that, and also have someone from insurance come and talk to us about what was happening. So when that happens to your house, which is a major investment, I think just having that human, that person who talks to you and gives you comfort, and having that registered master builder who signs off and ticks off on the work that's been done, just really gave us comfort as house owners that the job had been handled well. So in such a case, I would really want to deal with a human and not artificial intelligence. The other type of job that I don't see AI replacing quickly is caregivers and nurses. So those people who offer one-on-one support. So whether we are talking about early childhood teachers, early childhood educators, those people in the baby room, for example, when my kids were little, I had to leave them in the childcare and go to work for 8 hours. It was really challenging. So having that educator who gives you comfort as a parent that your child will be safe, your child will be okay with them, and they are feeding your child and they know what sort of foods are good for them or the foods that they like, and they are watching them play and they're keeping them safe through the day. Oh, I can't just put even a dollar value on that sort of work. It's really important, and just giving comfort and assurance to parents with young children. So whether it's young children or it's seniors, the caregivers looking after aging parents, helping them to get to their appointments, helping them to do their shopping, or helping them to take a bath, helping them to just do daily life things. I believe that this is such an important and critical role that AI will not replace. So I believe with these roles, it's the emotional connection, it's the holding of the hand, it's just giving someone that comfort. And I believe that AI cannot do that. AI can help in diagnosing maybe a disease or what's happening, why are they acting like this, based on recent or based on historical data. But when it comes to offering comfort, offering a helping hand, you definitely need a human to do that. So, emergency workers. So I'm talking about paramedics, I'm talking about the police, I'm talking about firefighters, any people working in an emergency, because they need to make split-second decisions. They need to advise families and people on what actions to take. And usually they're working in very chaotic environments where they need to consider the people, where they need to consider infrastructure. And so it's really important for them to be present. That yes, they can use artificial intelligence to help them make their decisions based on historical data, based on how assets are lined up or how to enter a building and things like that. That can be done with the help of AI. But when it comes to critical thinking, making decisions on the fly, you definitely need a human. So these jobs will not be replaced by artificial intelligence. I think the other job that will not get replaced by artificial intelligence is the beauty industry. Your barber, imagine getting a haircut using artificial intelligence. Maybe that's in the future, but for now, I'd rather have that human being cutting my hair or braiding my hair. And the other thing that does happen when you do go to your barber or you go to your hairdresser, it's really just that emotional connection, the stories that you tell, the vibe in the room and what's happening, just the relaxation you feel when you're getting your nails done, when you're getting your facial done, when you're getting your massage done. I think that cannot be replaced by AI. So it's just the feeling that you have when you're getting these sort of cosmetic beauty therapy done. I believe that those sort of jobs will not get replaced by AI. And the fifth job type, it's funny, but politicians, they will not get replaced by artificial intelligence, because just by the type of work they're doing and the arguments that they have and their way of thinking, we do need people like them to stand up for those who are less privileged and to represent them. So I believe that these sort of roles will not get replaced by artificial intelligence. We will always need a Donald Trump somewhere, and we will always need members of parliament. We will always need advocates for the less privileged. And I believe that those sort of jobs will definitely not get replaced by AI. So these were just 5 of the types of jobs that I don't believe will get replaced by AI. Let me know in the comments if there are any other jobs that I've left out, because I think I have, but I'd love to hear from you what you think with everything that's happening in the world today, people losing jobs and being replaced by robots, being replaced by AI. What are your thoughts? What are the other types of jobs that you feel will not get replaced by AI? Let's talk about it. Once again, thank you for listening. Thank you for sticking till the end. If you're still here, I really appreciate you. Hey, do me a favor before you go. Just hit the like button. Subscribe if you like the type of content that I post on this channel. I'm trying to grow each time and trying to post different types of content. So I'd really appreciate your feedback. Let me know in the comments what you think. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.